You guys already know that I only make moist cakes, and this lemon olive oil cake is no exception. It has a bright lemon flavor from both juice and a whole lot of zest, and the lemon pairs so well with the rich fruity flavor of olive oil. The cake is topped with a simple lemon icing, but it's sweet enough that it's great topped with just powdered sugar. Look at the silky crumb of this cake. You will love it. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of sugar. Then grate in the zest of 2 lemons over the sugar. Mix together with a fork. Then add a 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. If it isn't good quality, then you won't be able to taste it in the cake. Mix until combined. Then add in 1½ eggs, and mix. Mix in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now add your dry ingredients, alternating with the wet, starting with 1/3 of the dry. The dry ingredients are 1 cup flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now add a 1/4 cup of whole milk and mix. Now add in the next third of the dry ingredients and mix. Now add another 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix. Add the final third of the dry ingredients and mix. Quickly pour the batter into a greased and floured 9-inch cake pan. Bake for about 20 minutes in a 350-degree preheated oven or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. Let the cake cool completely for around 2 hours. So the icing is just icing sugar mixed with enough lemon juice to make it pourable. I didn't measure anything. Pour the icing over the cake. Smooth it out. Let it set, decorate, and slice and serve. Enjoy.